The great news, Marissa, is that things are pretty much back to normal. Obviously, there's still some cleanup to do, but I can show you the roads. Pretty much bare pavement here, which is a big difference from what we saw earlier in the afternoon and the morning when the roads were completely covered. This is really thanks to the crews who have spent all day long cleaning these roadways. We spoke to a wonderful gentleman who was in one of the plows named Paul, and he told us that he had been working since 2 a.m. this morning. There's a plow right there. Oh, gave us a nice beep, and we thank them. But he said he had worked from 2 a.m. and was going to work probably until 10 o'clock tonight. So a long day for these guys and these gals, and they have made such a difference. The big problem here today in Salem was obviously, one, the snow totals. We know this was one of the jackpots, at least here in New Hampshire. Nothing compared to what the southern part of Massachusetts saw in Rhode Island, but still, at least here in New Hampshire, probably about, I would say, maybe a foot of snow. That's just my best guesstimate. But the wind as well has been really tough today. Still some gusts are probably the last remaining part of this storm that we see left over here, but still a little bit of cleanup to do. But for now, we'll send it back to you guys in the studio. Live in Salem tonight, Ariel Metropolis, WMUR News.